On April 9th at 2:40 p.m., a woman who only referred to herself as Angel Halo sent me a message to my inbox that read, "Happy Easter to you and yours." 7 minutes later, she sent another message, and this is what the message said.
Question: if I dream straight dreams and they normally come true, it may be days, years, weeks, etc. When my dreams come true, I mark down the day, month, and years, just to check how long it took. But this time it's on my 60th birthday. I will pass away and not be on this earth again. Why I'm asking, I'm turning 60th on the 23rd of April 2023. The good thing of this is I'm ready to go.
Because of the many messages in my inbox, I ended up seeing her message a couple days ago, which would have been nearly a month after her birthday. Angel Halo, if you are still with us and you are reading this, I have sent you a message in your inbox and I am waiting on your reply.